Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily import the VIX future price from investing.com directly into Google Sheets. This will allow you to track the VIX in real time without having to constantly visit the website. It's a quick and simple process that will make your market analysis much easier. Let's get started. I've created a fresh new Google Sheet and we will use a function called import XML. And before we using this function, I'm going to show you what we need and how we get it. So first of all, we're serving to investing.com and looking for the VIX future price. There we go. And next step is that you select this number here, go to copy XPath, and now we are going to apply the function. It's called import XML. Let's now copy the XPath, and we have to replace that with this one, and the last step would be to copy the website in here, click enter, and now you get your VIX future price. If you have any questions to it, just write me a comment, and yeah, I hope that makes your trading a lot easier. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.